Hello, animal lovers! Welcome back to Quiz Kingdom. Can you recognize them, guess where they live, and uncover some surprising animal facts? From cute and cuddly to wild and dangerous, every question will put your knowledge to the test. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Ready to go wild? Let's begin. Let's kick things off with question number 1. Which animal is more dangerous? Be careful! Which runner's faster, the cheetah or the lion? Spot on, it's cheetah. Which animal has the larger brain, the dolphin or the elephant? Wonderful, it's elephant. You must know the answer already. Exactly, it's kangaroo. Froggy's playtime begins. Look closely at these adorable animals and remember their spots. Ready? Now, where was the rabbit? Yes! Rabbit's in position 3. Which one's more dangerous to humans? Bingo! Snake for sure. Which animal can snooze while standing up? The answer's horse. Next, which animal's the strongest? It's tiger. Which has better vision, the dog or the eagle? Eagle, just a piece of cake. Would you rather give a like to own this cute dog or subscribe to Quiz Kingdom for a cool eagle? Keep on, this one's a little hard. Amazing, it's dolphin. Which one has a longer life, the parrot or the hamster? The answer's parrot. Which swimmer's faster, the penguin or the duck? Penguin, easy peasy. Which has more bones, the snake or the cat? It's snake. Can you tell me how many cats are there in the bedroom? Ta-da! The right answer is 10. Tell me which bird can fly backward. Hummingbird. Do you know which animal hibernates through winter? That's bear. Which creature can regenerate lost body parts? Surprised? It's starfish. Which has the stronger sense of smell, the bear or the dog? It's bear. We need just one more puzzle piece to finish the picture. That's right, it's C. Which animal hunts in coordinated groups? Exactly, it's wolf. This one's very easy. The answer's turtle. Which animal can go longer without water? It's camel. Do you know which animal can hold its breath for longer? That's dolphin. Dolphins chew their food little by little. True or false? False, because dolphins swallow their food whole. You're doing good. Starfish, you nailed it. Which animal can blend into its surroundings? Bingo, it's chameleon. Which one's truly poisonous, the frog or the spider? It's frog. You must know which creature has the sharpest claws. The answer's eagle. Can you arrange in the correct sequence? Here it is. Which creature carries its young in a pouch? Kangaroo! So easy. Tell me which animal's faster. Exactly, it's gazelle. Do you know which lives longer, the parrot or the turtle? It's turtle. Which animal's known for having excellent memory? That's elephant. Can you help Mama Goldfish get to her babies? Yes, this is the right way. Keep on. Which pet fools itself by panting, the dog or the cat? That's dog. Which sea creature has more limbs, the squid or the octopus? Squid, just a piece of cake. Which animal has a greater number of teeth? The answer's shark. Do you know which animal stores fat in its tail? Of course, it's a lizard. Can you match these pieces to complete the animals? Ding, ding, ding! Time to reveal the answer. Which animal can glow in the dark? It's firefly. What's the largest mammal on Earth? Spot on, it's whale. Which one survives icy cold better, the penguin or the turtle? That's penguin. Which animal produces louder sounds? Elephant, easy peasy. Wow, can you spot who's blending in? The odd one's right here. Next, which animal can climb trees, the panda or the elephant? The answer's panda. Which creature makes pearls? Oyster. Which animal navigates using echolocation? Exactly, it's bat. Which animal has the most powerful bite? Crocodile. You nailed it. Which one has 5 eyes, the bee or the crab? That's crab. Tell Froggy, can you guess which animal that is? The right answer is a shrimp. Which animal mainly eats bamboo, the panda or the koala? Of course, it's panda. Which one's in the same family as a dragonfly? Damselfly. Which creature can live both on land and in water? Surprised? It's crab. Which animal can sniff out truffles, the pig or the rabbit? It's pig. Which creature is capable of changing its sex? Clownfish. Which insect creates the loudest noise? Spot on, it's cicada. Froggy knows you have sharp eyes. Can you spot out all the differences easily? The differences are here, here, and here. Whose shell is harder, the snail or the turtle? The answer's turtle. Which animal can survive in the coldest habitats? Penguin. Do you know which sea animal can alter its color to blend in? Exactly, it's octopus. Which is heavier, the polar bear or the hippo? That's hippo. Which animal's nicknamed the sea unicorn? Narwhal, so easy. Which animal has the longest migration journey? Sea turtle. Which deep-sea animal can release glowing mucus to confuse predators? Surprise, it's the vampire squid. Which animal can run across water? Bingo, it's basilisk. Which animal uses its giant nose to filter dust and warm cold air? The saiga or the gazelle? What a nose! It's the saiga. Which amphibian can regrow lost limbs? The axolotl or the cane toad? Regeneration champion, the axolotl. Which bird's famous for its enormous shoe-shaped bill? That crazy beak belongs to the shoebill. We've arrived at the last round. Which tiny deep-sea creature builds a giant mucus house to catch food? Yep, it's the giant Larvetian. Its mucus structure can grow much larger than its body. Awesome job, Quiz Kingdom friends! And you helped Froggy become king. Comment below, like, subscribe, and see you next time!